Hello all. This is an explanation of the indicators for intraday and also for positional trades. So let me explain for intraday first, and we will move on to the positional trade. Okay, see, once you see the red dot here, let me see here at 1:45, 21st Jan, we got a red dot. So on this candle, we got a red dot. So we will take a put trade here, and we will hold it for 30 points, or we'll trail with our stop losses. And whenever the any candle, once you take in the trade here, if I take the trade here on this candle, so next candle or any of the candle is breaking this line or the dotted line, so I will close my put trade and I will enter in call trade. Once you enter in a call trade above the red line, you have to trail your stop loss. For sure you have to trail your stop loss, because the market is telling us this will be the max area where it has to take the reversal in intraday. Okay, so anytime if you are taking any trade above the red dotted line, you have to trail your stop loss. And at the same time, for a green dot also, whenever you are taking any trade below that, you have to take you have to trail a stop loss. ओके, हिंदी में भी एक्सप्लेन करूंगा इधर. जब भी आप ये रेड डॉट के नीचे लिया तो आप पुट रेट ले सकते हो, पुट रेट लेके बैठ सकते हो. आई मीन लेके बैठना बोले तो 30 पॉइंट का बैंक निफ्टी में ऑप्शंस में आ जाएगा आपको. यदि आपने ये रेड डॉट के ऊपर में कॉल ट्रेड एंट्री किया तो आपको स्टॉप लॉस ट्रेल करते जाना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि मार्केट दिख रहा है इधर. आपका जो आई मीन मार्केट क्या बोल रहा बोले तो इधर से ऊपर नहीं जा सकता है. ऐसा नहीं जा सकता बोले तो इंडिकेटर वो इंडिकेशन दे रहा है हमारे को, तो इंडिकेटर के हिसाब से हमारे को काम करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. और आपको अगर आप इसके ऊपर कॉल ट्रेड लिया, जब भी इसके नीचे आया क्लोज हो गया 5 मिनट का, तो आपको क्लोज करना पड़ेगा आपका कॉल ट्रेड को. एट द सेम टाइम जब भी आप इसके नीचे पुट ट्रेड लिया, क्लोज होने के बाद कैंडल क्लोज होना है कौन सा भी डायरेक्शन में, तो क्लोज हो गया, आप पुट ट्रेड लिया इधर. जब भी आपका 30 पॉइंट नया आप बैठे हो ट्रेड लेके, जब भी आपका जब भी मार्केट और कैंडल एनी कैंडल ब्रेक करेगा, ये रेड डॉट को ब्रेक करके ऊपर में बंद होगा, तो आपका स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो गया, तो आपका लॉस बुक करके बाहर आना है. बाहर आने में अच्छा ही है. ठीक है. वैसा ही ग्रीन डॉट को भी जब तक ऊपर है आप कॉल ले सकते हो. जब भी आपका ग्रीन डॉट के नीचे बंद हो गया तो आपको ये क्लोज करना पड़ेगा. कॉल ट्रेड क्लोज करके आपको पुट ट्रेड ले सकते हो. ये इंट्राडे का इंडिकेटर है. और दूसरा हमारे पास पोजिशनल भी है, तो उसको भी एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगा मैं. एंड पोजिशनल का हम 1 घंटा में देखते हैं. सो वी विल सी द पोजिशनल ट्रेड्स इन 1 आवर यूजुअली. So whenever we see a green line, and after the green line if we see an yellow line, that means the market is changing the trend from bullish to bearish. So Once this candle gives the confirmation, that means yellow line should form and candle should close. 1 hour candle should close in yellow. The color should be yellow in money flow indicator, and then we will take the trade in the next candle, and our stop loss will be on the top of the candle or on the zone, and then we can wait. You can see the fall and you can see the uptrend also. See here, I taken the trade as a call, but it fallen, but I still hold it because I have some zone here in the back of my chart. You can see here, so I'll hold it, and then once again, if it changes the color, either you can do the average or you can still hold that trade. See, the trade went upside. So this will be my target area, because previously also the color of the zone, see here, it is a red, dark red and light red. So dark red means the market mostly will not break this at this point of time. So once the zone color get changes, then most likely the market might break the level. That is a probability of the market, and so you can see the uptrend, and at the same time you can see the downfall also. So we are still we can hold the trade with our targets. This will be my first target, second target, and either this one will be my third target or this one will be my third target. Any one will be my third target. So last time what we told 2 targets, first one and second one here, and we got achieved in the same day, and I asked to close the positions, and in the next day we got the trade entry after this candle closing, and we given the position trade, and we asked to close the position here, if I remember correctly. So this is how the indicator work in for positional trades. This will work in any stock. For example, I'll open TCS. See, the positional trade also is giving me a bearish trend, and it fallen. Okay, so at least it has to fall to this zone. So it has already been fallen, so which is fine for us. So if I'm getting any trade here, if I'm getting a trade somewhere around here, so my target area is this one. So in the next day I opened below that, so I'll close my position. So anything you see it, you see the uptrend here, the candle was closed, and my first target and my second target should be forming. Either this might be my second target or this might be my second target. That depends on your risk appetite, how much long you want to hold it, because that's how the market will test your patience. So again, we got a sell confirmation here, and it got fallen. So it got fallen almost to the area. I mean, not almost. It's like almost like 20 points farther from the point. So which is fine, because we got almost like 90 points fall. So which is fine. And again, we got a buy entry here. We got the trade and first target, second target, and I see that here also the line color is got changed. So I'll close my position and I will take the PE position here. I mean, I'll sell the TCS. So any stock, if anybody want to see, oh sorry, not Bank Nifty, it is Bajaj Finance Limited. See, Bajaj Finance also given me a buy trade here, and it shooted up, and now somewhere around here it is given me a sell. So my first target came, and either this might be my second target or this might be my second target. So again, I'm not telling this should be your second target or this should be your second target. depends on your how much risk you can take. So based on that, you can take a risk. This is how the indicator works in any stock. And but I'll not recommend these indicators for penny stocks. Penny stocks are below 50. I'm talking about below 50. जो 50 रुपए के नीचे है वो स्टॉक के ऊपर ये इंडिकेटर लगाओ, आपको काम नहीं करेगा. फिर से बोल रहा हूं, जब भी आप ये इंडिकेटर को 50 रुपए के नीचे का स्टॉक, जो 50 रुपीज के नीचे का है स्टॉक वैल्यू, कंप्लीट स्टॉक वैल्यू आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, वो नीचे है, उसके ऊपर लगाया तो आपको ये इंडिकेटर थोड़ा बराबर टाइम नहीं देता है. ओके, एंड दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू.